Hey Ellsworth, I'm excited to share that we've been working with the Ellsworth Chamber and have put together a few marketing workshops that we're going to be bringing down to Ellsworth in October. One of them is social media strategy and the other is using video in your marketing efforts. So if you have wondered about your social media posts, if they're working, if you have focus, where to get ideas from, what you should be focusing on, how to measure, how to do it, all that fun stuff. That workshop would be for you, and I'd love to have you join us. Video, if you're looking to get more video into your social media, use it on your website, or just using it to engage either in events or corporate or commercials or however you think video works for your business. We're going to have some really cool brainstorming, interactive discussions, and I think you'd find value there too. So really quickly, the concept of these workshops, it's a 2-hour workshop, but it's not going to be a pitch. It's not going to be something where you just sit and listen and take notes. Far from it. It's going to be all about the questions and goals of the people in the room. So we'll probably do like 20-25% at the beginning of the workshop will be a presentation on best practices, what we see working, what some trends are, and what you need to be aware of. But I'm also going to reach out to all of those that sign up ahead of time to get a feel for the types of questions and the types of things you're looking to walk away from, and then cater the conversation to those specific questions and goals. So it's going to be highly interactive and I hope highly valuable. So video marketing and social media strategy, if either one of those two or both fits your fancy, I hope you take a look at the link that I'm sharing with this video. If you have any questions, give me a shout. These have been very popular up here in Bangor, and I'm excited to bring them down to Ellsworth and work with the Chamber. So I hope to see you at one of the workshops.